Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. I'm working on this 2013 Suburban that has the oil pressure gauge at 0, has a check engine light on, but most important, this one doesn't have no knocking noise on the engine. If you have a knocking noise and the oil pressure is at 0, most likely you have a problem with your engine. So I really recommend you to bring it on mechanic so he can check it. If you can turn it off so you don't damage anything else and just tow it, that'll be the best thing to do. Okay, but let's talk about this one. There's no knocking noise on the engine. Could it be just the gauge? I don't think so, because usually when the gauge goes bad, it's really common on this one that the gauges go bad. But on this one, if the gauge will go bad, you wouldn't have no check engine light on, okay? And the easiest way would be get a scanner, read the codes, and go from there. Well, I have this one hooked up already with the scanner, and it's showing P0523 engine oil pressure sensor switch. So we got a code. We see that the gauge is on 0 and no engine noise at all. So most likely on this one we have a problem with the oil pressure switch. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. It's really simple to replace. Okay, well, this is the socket that we're gonna use. The size is 1 inch and 1/16. It's special just for oil pressure switches. You can see the diameter from inside, and then the hole is bigger, so the plastic of the sensor won't get damaged. This one comes with 2 different sizes. The inner diameter it's 1 inch, and the other one, the outer, is 1/116. On this specific vehicle, it's 1/116. We're gonna need some extensions and a ratchet. The problem is gonna be getting to the sensor because it goes behind the engine all the way in the back, and we don't have that much space. Remove the cover, it's plastic, just pull it up. Alright guys, like I told you, it's really complicated to get to it. It's this sensor right there on the back. So to get to it, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. This is the connector. It goes all the way in the back. It's a little bit hard to get to it. And it has a lock, a plastic lock. You don't need to get it out. I just got it out so I can show you. This is the lock. Just pull it up. Now with 2 fingers, there's another lock right there. You just press on it. Press on it. It's gonna be a little bit hard. Just press on it and pull it up. That's all it is. Okay, well, this is the sensor. Like I told you, it's a pain in the ass to get it out. I used the ratchet just to loosen it. Once it turned a little bit, I just got it out with the fingers. And when we put it back in, I'll do the same thing. Use the fingers to guide it all the way, as much as you can go. And then just use the socket and the ratchet just to tighten it. Alright guys, well, I got the sensor from AutoZone. This is the part number, PS690. You need to guide it with your hands only. Don't use the socket until it's all the way in, the most you can. And then just use the socket just to tighten it. Alright guys, if you have a swivel, it'll make the job easier because of the room, the space that we don't have on the back, okay? Okay, so now it's tight. Don't over tighten because it's really easy to break. Connect everything back. I already did. Connector is back. Let's turn it on. Now we clear the codes. Codes are clear. Okay, let's run it. There you go. Oil pressure is reading, and no more check engine light. So that was it, guys.